In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a modest $10 into an impressive $1,300 using futures trading on TradingView. Let's dive into this step-by-step process to maximize your gains while keeping risks in check. First, you need to head over to TradingView. This is your one-stop platform for tracking all financial markets. Once you're on the site, it's time to navigate to the Supercharts section. This tool is invaluable as it offers advanced charting capabilities which, as a trader, will provide you with the critical insights needed for informed decision-making. Now, it's time to choose a trading pair. Let's focus on selecting something with potential for high returns, such as the BTC-USDT perpetual contract. This trading pair involves Bitcoin and USDT, and it's a popular option among traders looking to capitalize on Bitcoin's volatility. Next, we access the trading panel. Just scroll to the bottom of your chart until you see the trading panel and click on it. This is where the action happens. You'll need to choose a futures broker that the platform supports. Options like Bybit, Binance Futures, or OKX are good choices. Once you've selected your broker, click Connect and log in using your broker credentials. With everything set up in the trading panel, let's start trading. Click on the Trade button. When you're ready, select Buy MECT. This action initiates a market order for your chosen contract, meaning you want to buy at the current market price. After placing your order, don't forget about leverage. Click on X10 Leverage. This feature allows you to amplify your trading position, potentially increasing profits. However, keep in mind that using leverage can also significantly increase your risk. So it's crucial to adjust your stop loss or plan to close the position if the market moves against you. Once you've set the leverage, click Confirm. At this point, if you're comfortable and want to further increase your potential returns, you can adjust the leverage to X25. Again, it's important to exercise caution and evaluate your appetite for risk. After you adjust the leverage, confirm your choice once more. Now, click Buy. Congratulations! You've entered a trade and begun your journey in futures trading. Let's talk growth. Starting from your initial $10, the aim is to progressively scale up through smart trading and strategic compounding. As your trades succeed, you can watch your balance grow from $10 to $50, then to $150, $500, and eventually to $1,300, capturing compounded gains along the way. Remember, while high leverage offers substantial profit potential, it also carries high risk. Ensure you employ robust risk management strategies at every stage to protect your capital. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate futures trading on TradingView and aim to achieve significant returns. Happy trading!